Hi everyone! Today we're making a beautiful Mosaic Jello dessert. It is basically a mixture of a few different colored Jello blocks that are embedded in a creamy mold. You can adapt this colorful and delicious dessert to any holiday throughout the year. For example, if you like to make this perhaps for the 4th of July, you can use the red gelatin and the blue gelatin. And for Christmas, you can use the red gelatin and the green gelatin, etc., etc. In this recipe, I'll be using the primary colors, red, blue, green, and yellow, because I just think that combination of colors is oh so pretty. Are you ready to impress your guests? Let's get started. Pour 4 cups of water into a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Then set it aside momentarily. Next, pour each packet of the Jello gelatin into a bowl. We're going to start with the red gelatin, which is a cherry flavor. Yummy! Next is the yellow gelatin, and that is a lemon flavor. I love anything with lemon in it. Next is the blue gelatin, and it is called berry blue. Last one is the green gelatin, and it is a lime flavor. Now divide the hot water evenly among the 4 bowls. So you're going to pour 1 cup of hot water into each of the bowls, then stir to dissolve the powder. Now pour half a cup of cold drinking water into the bowls, then give it a stir. Transfer the gelatin to a rectangular plastic food container. Then place the gelatin in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours or until firm. And about half an hour before the Jello is set, you can start preparing the milk mixture. But first, we have to work on the unflavored gelatin. So bring half a cup of water to a boil and then set it aside for just a moment. Now pour half a cup of room temperature water into a bowl and sprinkle 3 packets of the unflavored gelatin over the water. At this point, do not mix the gelatin. Let it stand for 1 minute to allow the gelatin to expand. Okay, it's time to pour half a cup of the boiling water into the bowl. Stir until the gelatin is dissolved and then momentarily set it aside. Now we're going to work on the milk mixture. First, pour the evaporated milk into a mixing bowl. Then add in the table cream. Add in the sweetened condensed milk. Also add in some vanilla extract. Then whisk everything together. Lastly, we're going to add in the gelatin. And once again, whisk to combine everything. The next step is important, guys. Be sure to let the mixture cool completely before pouring it over the Jello. Otherwise, the color of the Jello may bleed, and that is no bueno. While you're waiting for the milk mixture to cool, you can cut the Jello into cubes, and you can cut them into any size cubes that you want. Then dump the Jello into a large bowl and gently mix all the colors together. Spray the Bundt pan with a no-stick cooking spray. This is an important step guys, because it will definitely make unmolding of the jello cake a breeze. Fill the bottom of the pan halfway with some of the diced jello. Now pour in some of the milk mixture, just enough to cover the cubes. Then place more of the jello cubes into the mold, but don't add them in all at once. You may end up with some extra cubes since there might not be enough of the milk mixture to cover everything. Now you can pour the remaining of the milk mixture into the pan. Cover with aluminum foil and place the Mosaic Jello in the refrigerator for 8 hours. Yay! The Mosaic Jello is now done and is ready to be unmolded. We just need to pull the Jello away from the sides of the pan so that it can easily slide out. Gently press down all along the edge of the Jello cake and don't forget to do the center area as well. Place a large plate over the mold, then invert it onto the plate. Check it out, guys. Here's the finished product. I love it. I think it looks great. What do y'all think? Ain't the vibrant colors just beautiful? I don't know about you, but I find them to be mesmerizing. The different colored Jello blocks looks just like broken glass, don't they? It's a beautiful dessert and it is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Once you cut into this colorful dessert, you'll have your guests oohing and awing. The recipe is available at www.eatwithemily.com. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Have an awesome day! And until next time, I'll see you later, alligator. Bye!